training. It's part of my discipline. I came from the theater. So I watch myself and I take notes of what are the areas that I can still improve on.
Yes.
Kasi you don't rest on just one film. And this is my first Viva Max. A Viva Max. Atin to. Kita ko yung full circle niya. May kwento. Nakita ko yung kung you're a cineast, no? You are not just a regular viewer, no? You're not just a fan. I think meron namang memorable sa iyo.
Did you have second thoughts when this was offered to you?
Not a tinge of second thought. The moment I read the script, tinawagan ko, I already told them. Kasi yung ano ko rin, because of the material and the way it was directed while we were shooting the film. Sana, ang ano ko sa Viva, sana naisali natin to sa festivals, international. Kasi may kanya-kanyang festival for this genre.
Yes.
Dahil hindi na ako buhib ako sa mga nakasama kong mga batang taga-Viva. Okay, they were also from Manang, everyone. Okay, ang humusay po nila. Kaya ang ganda lumalabas kasi parang walang malis. Alam mo yung ganon, no qualms about what they have to do. Because ginagampanan lang naman nila kung ano yung kailangan sa eksena at kung ano yung character nila. And I think Manang really excelled and also Titan.
Yeah, she's very good.
Parang pati si Rian. Kasi pati yung physical, ang galing ng casting direct. Ito frail, tapos ito mas voluptuous, tapos isang tagol-tagol na laki ng lola, so depressed, ganyan, diba? And yun, dun lumalabas sa apat na dingding na yon. And all you hear is the langit and you peep into that tiny hole and then you see what's bombastic inside. And I would like to commend our director, si Direk Chris, kasi dun sa shooting, sobrang cool lang siya.